students, a warm welcome to all of you. Hope you are all well. So how was your P2 exam? I hope you all have given very nicely, isn't it? So final is coming closer. Best of luck to all of you so that you can revise very sincerely on the subjects. So today we are switching over to a new chapter, which is what is inside the box. This is chapter number 9 of reader book, your course book, which is what is in the box. Okay, look at this empty box. Imagine you want to send your grandparents a gift. So suppose your grandmother or grandfather, they are staying outside your house, they are staying far away, so you want to send a gift to them, which is a surprise. It is a surprise. Draw what you will send. What do you want to send them? You want to send them, if you want to send them garments, you can draw those garments. If you want to send them some books so that they can read, you can send them. Okay? If you want to send them some teddies so that they can also play along with you, you can send them inside the box. So they are also going to send a surprise gift. Some other people, if their grandparents are outside, they will send a surprise gift in this empty box. So the characters in the play, now the play is starting. The characters in the play are Amit, Piya, Rohan, Sonali and Maria. So out of them, Amit, Rohan, they are boys, and Piya, Sonali and Maria are girls. Okay. So Piya and her brother Amit walk home from the post office. You know what is the post office? Where we can send the letters, we can drop the letters, we can collect the Englands, etc. So they went to the post office and they walked home from their post office. Amit carries a box. So Piya, I'm so excited. What is in the box that grandmother sent us? So from the post office to parcel, they got this box, and now Piya is feeling very excited, and he is telling Amit that I'm feeling so excited. What is in the box that grandmother has sent us? So now Amit replies, I don't know, I want to open it. So he feels that no, he says that no, I don't know, I just want to open it. Piya says, me too. Even Piya is excited with the box. They see their friend Rohan. Now Rohan comes forward and Rohan says, hi Amit and Piya, what's inside your box? Amit says, hi Rohan, I don't know yet. Now Rohan comes forward and says, Amit, Piya, what is inside your box? And they say, Rohan, we also don't know. Rohan says, maybe it's a toy car. Okay, so in order to give you a gift, maybe your grandmother has sent you a toy car, which is a surprise. Rohan follows Piya and Amit. He wants to see what is inside the box. Soon they see Sonali. After that, some moments passed away, and Rohan follows Piya and Amit. Then after that, they see Sonali. They meet with Sonali. Just see, the 4 friends are sitting over, brother and sister, and the 2 friends along with them. So Sonali says, it's good to see you, Piya and Amit. What's inside your box? So they are carrying the box, and all are feeling excited about what is the surprise gift that they have in the box. Piya says, oh, we don't know yet. Then Piya gives the same reply that we don't know. Sonali follows Piya and Amit and Rohan. Soon they see Maria. Again Maria comes forward. So another girl is being added with them. Maria says, hello everyone. Amit, what's inside your box? Now Maria says that, Amit, what is inside your box? Maria says, maybe it is a box. So Amit says, hello Maria, I don't know yet. Yes, Maria, I am meeting you, but I don't know what is inside the box. So Maria now says, maybe it's a box of crayons and some paint. So what did Rohan say? That maybe it is a toy car. Okay, but Maria is saying that it may be crayons. So the different friends are having different outlooks. Okay, so Maria follows Piya, Amit, Rohan and Sonali. Soon they watch Amit and Piya's house. They go inside. So Amit and Piya, the 2 brothers and sisters, they go inside, and they follow also them, the Maria, Rohan, etc. Now Rohan says, oh, I can't wait to see what is inside the box. So Rohan is feeling very much excited. He says that, my God, I'm just waiting. What is inside the box? Piya says, well, let's open it and see. Okay, so now Piya says, let's open it and see. Now let's move on to the next page. Then Piya and Amit opens the box. Just see, Amit are opening the box. Amit, oh, the box is full of books. We can read so many stories. So it's a wonder. These are the wonderful gifts, the most precious gifts sent by their grandmother. What are they? A set of books, story books. Okay. So Priya says, look at these lovely pictures. Come, let's all read. Just see how nicely the five friends are sitting together and reading the storybooks. Okay. So what is the gift they are having? After this, the gift is becoming disclosed. They have a set of storybooks and they feel very excited about this, and then they start reading and their time passes very nicely. Okay. So this is the total story I have told you. I have explained to you the story. Some of those spellings. For example, just see excited, EXCITED, grandmother, GRANDMOTHER, friend, 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 inside, INSIDE, then follows, FOLLOWS, then comes cakes, CAKES, chocolates, CHOCOLATES, everyone, EVERYONE, crayon, CRAYONS, paint, PAINT. Like this, some of the important spellings you have to know. House, you know, of course, HOUSE, house. Next day, in the next video, I'll give you some of these spellings. So be very alert with them, because if by chance the school opens, we might take a spelling test on all these chapters. Okay. So stay safe, stay healthy, and bye-bye.